Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills District ubak Vivek IPS ulaong baka Kynhun kinong tu kabla rong palat arpo pralak na ka automated telemachine ATM jongka State Bank of India na Mawkriah kadai ke Tbit bat Snar bha. Dak pentip bagi Pulit kidang Thwet ya ketika Kynhun kabadon saungut ki Snar tu ubak Vivek ulaong bakila ot ya ka machine say pisa daki oxygen gas kata. Ulaong bagi Pulit kila shim ke jing tray lang bat ki Pulit na ke jela Assam bat Nagaland nomor kum kini ke jing sha liet ki ATM ki jia na kapor sha kapor. Kate ke jing sha tu kala jia ha ka step senya jong ka arpoi tri ku jemmang arja arpusan ha kapor arbaje sau pulai minit men step. Kini ki runar kila ka dor khmat bhai la de na ke jing tip baki don ki CCTV camera ha kate ke jaka bat pen krep baru ya ki tiar kitar ban liet ya ka. Katalong kubor na ki Pulit ka ong baka pisa ka pala jack lab na katay ka machine ka long arpo pralak khatlai jar shispa tingka.
Yeah, actually the ATM heist happened in the early hours at 3 o'clock in the morning on Monday, and there were 4 people involved. They had used oxyl gas cutters, and it's a professional group, so this is treated as a special report case, and investigation is already on. We've registered a case, and this is some form of organized crime, because this kind of lifting of ATMs has happened also in other parts of Assam. So we have already reached out to our counterparts and all that, especially Nagaland also it has happened, and some people were caught also. So coordinated effort will be there, and investigation is in progress.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kta ka dur jing ki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.